everyone, and welcome to Magnet Magic. I'm Psyche, and we're going to start with a little song. It goes something like this. I'm a little magnet, can't you see? Many metal things stick right to me. If it's not metal, you will see, it will just not stick to me. Now that song is about how magnets stick to metal objects. But did you ever wonder why they stick to metal objects? It's because magnets use a type of force, a force that can push and it can pull. Here we have a magnet wand, so it's got a little magnet on the end, and I've got a metal object, this paper clip. Magnets work on metal objects. So if I get it close, it'll start pulling on it, and if I get close enough, it'll stick, just like that. And it will stay stuck until I exert a stronger force, in this case the muscles in my hand and my arm, to pull it away. Now, as you might discover if you play our Will It Stick game, magnets don't stick to all types of metal, but one type of metal they do stick to is iron. And iron is found in lots of things in our house and outside in the wider world. For instance, my magnets stick to my fridge because my fridge has iron in the door. And this paper clip sticks to this magnet because it has my iron in it. I want to show you a couple other cool tricks that we can do with magnets. One of them involves this piece of pipe cleaner right here, just a little piece. Now, pipe cleaner has metal in the center of it, and that's why it'll stick to our magnet wand. I'm going to put the pipe cleaner right here on this piece of paper, and then I'm going to use the magnet wand to make it stick. And move it all around. Now, if we didn't know it was magnets, we might think this seemed magical, right? But it's just cool science. And as you can see, the paper does not stop the force that the magnet is using to pull on the metal in the pipe cleaner. I also want to show you another cool trick. And this one always seems a little like real magic to me. For this, I'm going to use a prop, actually. I'm going to use this toy right here. But you could also use, say, an expo marker and stick it in some modeling clay or Play-Doh. You just need a pull. So I'm going to take these two off. The other thing I'm going to use is some magnetic rings. So this is just like this magnet, except that it's bigger and it's in the shape of a ring. I'm going to take this ring, I'm going to put it right here. Just sit it on top there. And then I'm going to take another magnetic ring and I'm going to see if it'll stick. It didn't stick. It just floated. Magic. Or just magnets. Let's do another one. Floating two. Let's do a fourth one. Also floating. Isn't that cool? Well, as we talked about before, we see magic, or magnets, can't say those two words, pull on each other like that, right? But we can also find magnets pushing, using that push force to push away. And here, as you can see, it's pushing the other magnets away so they won't ever touch. We take two of these magnetic rings and I try to push them together. Oof, they just won't go. I can't make them. But if I flip around just one of them, flip, whew, they stick so strong that I have to be careful not to pinch my fingers. But again, if I turn this one around, I can't get them to stick. This is because every magnet has two sides, and we call these a north and a south pole. Now, if you put two north poles together, they won't stick. And same, if we flip both these around, two south poles also won't stick. But if we flip just one around, so we have a north pole and a south pole, they stick together. And that's just one of the cool things that magnets have to teach us. And I hope you guys have fun exploring with magnets. Have fun, guys. Bye.